sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear, the hour I first believed. Through many dangers, toils, and snares, we have already come. 'Twas grace that brought us safe thus far, and grace will lead us home. When we'd been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, we'd no less days to sing God's praise than when we'd first begun. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Na
Naza bebe meka kwa ede bemba so be kurana menya mije seja badi obi waza tisu mi pe wunya di baby me waza tisu ade nyupani na chemkuwa na wa bebe ma baba no oi vozo bebe mo baba bebu kwa kopia Pakuwa meja pati ya wano ye Pana makuma suo Najise meja pati nina Ewa suru ye Usu unye rese ja pati nina Naze rese si kapi nina Naze uwiri ukira kwa Sobe kura na ubenya Ejise ja pati ya biminia Waza si Mempe wunya di epi Waza sisu Adi anyupane na chenkuwa na wa Bebe ma baba semo Oivozo bebe mo Babe bukwa koria Bakuwa weja padi ya wano minia Wana wakuma suo Etishite weja padi ya nyina Ewa suru to me mubu Korea. Ooh yeah yeah yeah. Ooh yeah yeah yeah. Oh 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 oh. Asuni yeah. Yeah besa ko ejo. Na zazi zai wadi yeah kwantu. Bia simu ani payina. Yeah besa ko ejo. Chanda paye, adeje mwana ya besanti yako. Yeba ya bari ya meri asimu, yekozo yemba pinko. Muma yere ya daji ya suye, na ya wawani ya mabrapo. Ya wawana mibayo, sana wusu tie. Ya doti ya nensu, doti ya besa kone doti mo. So besta koni sumo ya wawani ama prapua ya dia de chane baye adeje mwana ya besta ndiyako ya baya mari ya meri asimu kaza ya papiko muma yeye ya daji yeye na ya wawani ama prapu Doris me ya hawana me bayo
kwa ba mama transit ene nyame chiame dia mabusu apanyini wo ha bimu frebi na naje na sede midi kanka ya mekwa manfo so a ewo medinia ye de freme eno ani na na kire kututu mesa kojai odi abiento pampasrada enti sasembia busifia ha na pesa wo ka kire busu apanyina na dia fachi ameso na media mano Itimba ya mamu nyina transe ema makwaba na ne nyina ne sen emse bosumi be numnie eda papa bi a ehunu anuma na yemu ahye ba mo wo wode ne kuntum kudin be kata yenua panyini bi so ede ne koye na sede mamre city no de be bia ye dina wotwida nesu yakwa hwe no na fe na druse ye ba benum sikasa na ya bo ansa ne de agya million nti mo ba fi ha abusuan panyini se mamfa tuma nim se ene ewayem ene onom dade abuam na se de obo ade ka kire ye no wasi bibia be ye wiase bia yemfa ni dini kan ya dindia ko wie efise ne wiase ayehu ewiase yehu abodisentino ukota pregu na okogana no bi dia abodise betra won chempe no ahyase na oto asoro dwumutri woni dia hye botom wuti pawu na moko etisi abehia hadum na edua yi a ni eba ni abeye ayie die gyaye nua panyini kwan a mefre anti Moriel Ekin Sifa na wabegya kasamui na watu akra wofi hanyina dia hye urade nsa obi owe kanyame asem sa dia be hye urade asem oba na mudi nsembo ahia no koso a edi nsembo agya no eye ma me Ekins pato babegya kasamui ndamase.
Thou hast turned my mourning into dancing. Thou hast taken off my sackcloth and girded me with gladness, to the end that glory may sing praise to thee and not be silent. O Lord, our God, we will give thanks to thee forever. And that was from Psalm 30, verses 11 to 12. This is the event that we have all been looking forward to. Mr. Tom Boafo's celebration of life event. And here we are, ready to jubilate and celebrate a man who touched many lives, as well as to give praise to God for such a precious gift. We cannot forge ahead with tonight's event without thanking him, thanking God for making this day possible. This is the day that we let our Ebenezer ring with grateful hearts through prayer. Indeed, hitherto has the Lord brought us. Let us pray. We bless your holy name, O Lord, for such a day as this, bringing us together to honor Nana Boafo. Our hearts are filled with deep and unwavering gratitude for the opportunity to have lived life with Nana for 97 strong years. You have sustained the family, and today we join together to celebrate, jubilate, and lift your name high above all names. We invite you, Lord, to come and take your seat among us tonight, together with a host of angels. Surround this venue with the fire of the Holy Ghost, O Lord, and steer this event to a successful end, we pray. And we ask that you will take each of us safely to our various destinations at the close of the event, and we will give you all the praise due you. Sabi biwo asede chia anka werade na yede mawo. Wudi yenim, wudi yechi, ojaframa mununkum, yembutantim, ya abandending. Wenim ni wechi obiare ni ho. Woye ahene mo hene, ewura mo ewura ampa. Receive your praise tonight as you take over this event, giving each of us the oil of gladness instead of mourning, and the garment of praise instead of faint spirit. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, we have asked. Amen. Amen.
Mami Ekin Sifa yedase na ade ba ko wo mu ni se eye mami mpai bo a obonu brofum na fe wosan kan no ye nye kasa mu ma obi ate ye nhire nsu ato agu ye so ne ho ensambonye pacho mo fadie mo din ma no e panifo ne kan ye se ye ni tiasefoi anase nipa dasani se ye babo ye nsem enti ne nsem anfu nwi no ti bibia na se nsabo ho a mamu enye den mame medamasi bebre se munyina maba aye de aye nkoja ena Ghana fo se de sie ye no ye nyina momu kɔ preko wo ho afefre de obi aba ni nyina se ye ni amegyina hai toda me ba ye wo ha mefiri ana abono num kisa kokonyi kokroko asan makofie bise me ba ha maba me nua fie enti kaka ne bi ko ne bi ba na me amegyina ha me kasai me kasama hwan me kasama yenya ya busu apanyina ene aye bon ko todwem ono de ne wonum da dia buam abusu apanyini firi Ghana abakrom ha ne duai se ni nua no oba nya bejam kra abusu apanyini oye honorable na oye MP ewo Ghana ena oye Minister of State so wayeda enye obia se aye Nana SK Boafo aye oyoko abusuya ewo dwaso ene ne wadru ha wona bo pacho pejamune ho kakra mo fese bo mano mo fese ni miano oya die ena ya behwe so a aye yesiti crowway enkwa gina eti de obo na chidom obo abusuapan ya chidom emayen ani owura NS Echampon a ofi Ottawa bai and owura NS Pachomiango das swaba trudo no kika nsembi enso mani sika no kwa no tumu ye mema dia wa mebi pacho kwa waka chetulo se mema no yeso ye bre damasi bi so aba so enafe eye kunafo a eye ninti yaba abehia mu ewo ha nwumre eye Mami Grace Boafo onunti pa enene yabaha onona eye kuna sabe de wadre na wone no mkani ati ho no agani mu no odona sem awre ho wan wone ne bedi nkomo sese awre ho bibre nti yabaha no ma sremada ye bibia no ne de ne ko adwindwene mu ni Yesu ma no se dabi yenso asem kro ya bi ebetu ye ne adofo agyae ho aye Mame Boafo obai ma mesu nye sede Ghana for city no bibi basa yewo arechichire a yebetimi edi amawo panyefo ne kan ese ajabiwu a ajabiti ase ena adofo so ti ase enti sheden Mame eno achi no afi ebehwe nyanka papai waje omode aguye so eye enkwada no de odika eye Ruth Boafo owusu Ruth wa Ruth ohefa Ruth mani usen ofa si Ruth bi whatever ene wo Frank Boafo Frank mi hu ye good oya je Any a war on Parana Bacon, one of the Okanin Creature that Juliana in Timpato me see a trasy bear, meaty bear back open for my Juliana, and on any papa or more LD a war, Samado. And now you walk Eric Boafo. Eric. And your Michael Boafo. Michael ni text ni wa. Yada say Michael. Na the omoni say asembi wa mekane mu drabun say na proforo na ayu pacho. Say obi to nche no antiase anu akire na man. Yes, bia ye bon ho pobi nye kukuru na kwoto abonti. Ayi no mabani ani eye to nya na wakire de ekoso na no na ya dia busuafo akire wie no afi na mede eye amanfo a wo mo so bo abusu eye de odi kan anti Esther nimo ofi America na ba anti Esther wo ha na anti wa ya dire se se your man ho de no Ghana is a dollar no e kotrabo tu kwa no je bi o ha yes se dia asisa dia koma ho mo ye da se wa ba and ya wo Mrs. Gladys a champion of Odowa aya mami a champion yi your bobu so panyin na chi dom no aya de yire edono aya owura Ernest aya ne yire no and afi yawo Mrs. Georgina Donko, Auntie Georgina. And yawo Nana Osei a champion. Bremen Munyamfo, the year Asantimai Ayo Krumha, Yabusi Opani, that Danono, what would Yabusi Opanina, because he said Atlantis a chain on Ujato ho. T or Boasantima Krumha ye. Na champion no and ya wa Mrs. Victoria Srewo Onofri Hamilton Auntie Victoria o ha said Hamilton for the year of the brofun kwa we make us anti kra no want and a French for so bounds French in kwa Auntie be go and as I go voting want to make shedding mo fancy mo ya wana na mankwa wono suso fi Hamilton na wo ha obahima ule transit wa ude nyamonsa kwa mienhwe anya wo nana Abraham ansa wono no ban monyamfo aye Toronto asantema ya wo ha ya hima yedika yidu krom ha wono no aye nana Abraham ansa nyamonsa bioma amansa enhwe on the Kroma Sabia ni ho a beto a wo frena o ma wa re chichire ye wo ma bebre wo krom ha no eye mami Rosebell Queen eye Mrs. Botwi wo mo nyina wo ha edru ba bia ye hia panyufo afutu a ye ko mo ho mami ye de masese mu nyina so ma ba afi ye wo owura yire kwami agemai a highlight travels. A year Uraji Mabeko Ghana, no to Afan Ho, who saw this down, what Bamadia sat down, you won't betray us, Utia. Uraji Mao Pacho, you won't know it. Yeah, dear. So, my friend from Kogan and I'm watching my friend. I jump back my country down. And you walk Ura no Ura, ye Sam, any Ernestina Opoku. Pacho moha momi maya je abusuafo mo ba ha nyina na mo ka ho na obi o na ni din o na ma huna sabe na anyame boaye lemo mo amunim kokoye didi ni pani pepa ikura mesunye no ma nyina na mi hunu de obi o ba ha bia se samaba na abusuafo a omo ba ya ene womoti apunti a womo ye beja mo ena me de mo akire na sɛdeɛ asante amammerɛ sitie no sɛbi obi wu a yɛdi na wɔtwe da siesie ho boa amiehyɛ hyɛ da de bɛyɛ yie no ɛda no duru a wokɔ a woyɛ kaniba a ɛyɛ asɛdeɛ mmienu ɛna ɛwɔ wafam so ɔbɛkɔ yie no na kɔ yie no so a ɛyɛ w'amanne a ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ wɔ amammerɛ mu ne sɛbi wobɛgye ahwehwɛ wobɛbɔ nsa kakra de ama yɛba ha yɛtoatoa yɛde boa busuapanyini na watumi aka ne nkonnwa agu na kunafoɔ so sɛbi ne werɛ aho bebree enti mu a yɛba mabɔ ha nyinaa no mesrɛ mu ara wokɔ a na wagye afihwa kakra ketewa biara nsa ne yɛn nso so yɛde aka nkonnwa agu enti mu aborɔfo no te bɛn mu no yɛka nkonnwa agu no yɛanom akyerɛ wɔn aseɛ yie na wɔn ahu sɛ deɛ nyɛ sɛ akonnwa no ne ɛmu mmiri agu yɛde yɛbɔtɔm ɛne yɛde ka nkonnwa no agu meda mo ase bebree meda mo ase sɛ mo aba abusuafoɔ moatena ase akye nti ne sɛ nti no moaba bɛkye abusua a mɛsrɛ sɛ abusua bɛba bɛma mo akɔ aba na yɛtumi de dwumadie no akɔ yɛnim nti sɛ ɔkyerɛ ma ɛyɛ DJ ɔbɔ dwuma ma yɛfrɛ DJ Asare ɛna video man no so a ɛnɛ ɔwɔ ha no ɛyɛ owura same videos wɔn na wɔn twa ɛde ama yɛ wɔ ha enti na ɔkyerɛ ma siesie dwoman na abusua ɛmfa ɛmɛma adɔfo ba yɛ akɔ aba wohia biribi na kyerɛ so a na waka kyerɛ akwasi medam ase ɔkyerɛ mama yɛ dwom medam ase Munshadi abusua pani bepeja ni mu namo amoha jebu na mukubwa mutino namo diso namo baba na baba ya baba sana mama ya yana wosi tia wonderful kapo Munshadi mama dia yonke ona suha ugana pretra What do you say?
Okwe you are me, but this way Ubia, Obesiamio, Angel, Famitu, Many, and Tobia, Isumatumio, Otifumio, Mishiami, Walker, Famitu, Many, and Tobia, Isumatumio, Otifumio, Mishiami, Walker.
Bible say, "Eye menfie dioson, diaka biano, eye entuso ma. Eti so akoto enam na kwasi dem ye twa sade atoso Ghana. Ene e bonus. Ne no nkyere se sa enfie dioson no, wo ba wiase a wo be di no automatic, enye sa na tie. Wo bobra pa. Na di asem pa. Ene awurade man fie de oson na se wa watwa makode ene na chese eyinhira Come on, bro, for that, when you go into the Bible, it says, if you live a distant life, you live 70 years. The perfect life, you get more. So if our brother has been able to live all these years, it means he lived a perfect life. I wish I were him. I don't know if I'll live to even 70 years. The Almighty up there knows. And he says, no, a papa no, or brow, bo, papa, did send we are seeing Yinisano. Yeba, near Betia, for Moaba, near Jacob, home, Jacob, Guinea home. Say, yes, you're betting me and Yini, Abodrusa, Tibiano. And son, Tino. A year, maybe a friend. A year one in Anna, a year Quabra, a Uzu. Quabra no becoming an asem, what I know in it here. So if you are Quadano, more poor than some grass, no more papanum, Fisomo, you almost so. It's woman Ebano, Namin, so Mubecano, Picasa, so Mubecano Brofo, and Coraya Bay, and then and I make answer. Si amfaka sana titi wa mwa eye debi ye wuko nyo yeda hwa eso mboswa ni say daddy what happened to you what we know mboswa was daddy what happened to you amfaka sana mom eti emrantie are you ready we be count na ho asempa mbwa wahu na no mekwe baako ayi koko meme was kuntumirize amanya nkomu ye sai hi na se Abrante, Regina comes. So at this juncture, you're going to read the biography of your granddad. Are you ready? Sure. Yes. With all this entourage behind you. If you fall down, you'll be in trouble. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Good evening. We will be reading the biography of Grandpa. So, Mr. Thomas Kojo Boafo was born on June 6, 1924 at Conongo in the Gold Coast, now Ghana, to Opanin, Kojo Boafo, and to Opanin, Akusia Sapuma. He is the 9th of 10 siblings hailing from Josso in the Ashanti region. Some called him Tom, some called him Nana, but to me and my siblings and my cousins, he was simply and affectionately known as Grandpa. Grandpa started his education at the Methodist Primary School in Conongo. At 15 years of age, Grandpa completed his middle school education and enrolled at the Kibi Technical Training College in the Auto Mechanics program. His time at the school coincided with the outbreak of the Second World War, and as a British colony at the time, the Gold Coast had to contribute to the war effort. Grandpa's field of study, auto mechanics, was a highly coveted skill for the effective functioning of an army, so the colonial government set its sights on the young men at the technical schools in the Gold Coast. At the age of 17, Grandpa joined the Royal West African Frontier Force and was sent to Accra for basic training. Upon completion of the training, Grandpa's battalion was deployed to Burma. Grandpa was in the infantry and saw action in the Burma campaign, going up against the Imperial Japanese Army. His service must have had a deep and profound impact on him, for even though Grandpa was pretty gregarious, when it came to his service in Burma, Grandpa was a man of few words, not one to regale people with stories about his military exploits. As a veteran, Grandpa was a member of the Hamilton chapter of the Canadian Legion and maintained his standing until the end. After the war, Grandpa returned home to Ghana, and with the experience and rigorous training he received in the military, got a job at the Kumasi Municipal Council in the engineering department of the transit system. After a few years as chief of engineering at the Omnibus Authority, Grandpa decided to further his education and left Ghana in 1957 for the United Kingdom. To support himself during his studies, Grandpa took a job as a mechanic at Holy's Garage in Nottingham. In 1958, his dear wife, Grandma Grace, joined him. Grandpa worked at the garage for 9 years, during which time they were blessed with 3 children, Ruth, Frank, and our dear Juliana. After 9 years in the UK, Grandpa and Grandma developed a yearning to explore the new world. So in 1966, Grandpa and Grandma left the UK and headed for Canada, landing in Hamilton on June 21st, 1966. Grandpa's first job in Hamilton was with the Gulliver Motors on Cannon Street. His next employment was with a steel company called Last Iron. In Hamilton, Grandpa and Grandma expanded their family with the birth of 2 more sons, Eric and Michael. As a respected member of the Ghanaian community in Hamilton and Toronto, Grandpa was called on by many in the community to perform the customary naming ceremonies for the newborns. As an adult, the term of endearment Grandpa is not limited to his biological grandchildren, but used by all those he named over the years. Grandpa's last employment was with Hamilton Store Fixtures, from where he retired. After retirement, Grandpa and Grandma spent the bulk of their time in Ghana every year. With Grandpa's easy nature, he quickly formed strong and lasting friendships with many of his neighbors. Blessed with long life and good health, Grandpa enjoyed the later stages of his life and aged gracefully, maintaining a sense of humor and freely dispensing advice till the end. Grandpa, your children, your grandchildren, your family, your friends, we salute you. You promised us your company and guidance through our formative years, and you have done your part, for yours has been a life well lived and a promise kept. Go on home to a peaceful rest and be assured that you will always be fondly remembered, for, as the saying goes, old soldiers never die.
Abusiafo abratie no wakane na na ho asem frenchim na ayiba ko ewo mu ni se moma abratie no hu se ye ne wo hai ye no generations mienu ye wo BC before computer before na one and your AC after computer. It woman ye AC for to brof no kon tem. Someone that mutu no for next time. And Korano mo be come na ho asa na ye brofo a muntwini nya. Gentlemen, as you know, most of us don't get the English just like you guys born here. So next time, when you mount the podium to give any biography of anyone, please let the pace be one by one. Don't go too fast. Move us up on my way out there. Abusiafo ye ni nyina no. Ni nyina ho. Yes, ye be celebrate. Ye nua panyi. Brother Thomas in life. Enti ye de anije bam se maami obefiri hanom no. Na areho bi ewo dum bia no na afiri ho. Obi abetwa ya cha me na mgyina ho. Me ka asem na fum obi apa cha mo yo busu apanyi no mfa ncheme. Die be na etwie. Na ye ka ni nyina so na table no ho. Ayensa abode no na mode maye. Sabisi kasa ne no ye ba ye winchiwie ye num bia ye num wine. Pai force tu aponchi yem isremoda. Ni nwa ekabia meda busia so. Asori bi wo ho a eso enso mo ento collection kese. Romans ye to collection kese. Enso wo be ko wa man church bi o ye ba du num no na collection ba gi sada no na bro Roma kese no so. Etiye aba hai se ya kuma mu pa se wase buo kunafo ne buo busua panyini no ka ne konwa gu a ayanti obotom nyantu niye table no momia nko ho sabe obi dia mane dia mane wa kaso yura fi na be kofie na dia china to boton na sike bi was away from this money sike bi any with this rubber obi na demand wa mane dia table pa chao momia nko ho ne monsa Edamase. Sese dia do so DJ Asare. Sese John Mabusuan pharmacy dwam. Na wo munyi wo mana no. Na bebo asore John. Ye bebo dwam dia wo bia. Na waye panyini nti no. Adwuma bobo no. E ba bi e be kwa akosie. Ye me bobo shata wale ni ayi dwam bia wo ha no mo ne ikoko valley no dwam bia wo ha. Ye bo dwuma da ho maye. DJ Asare sese Juna Busuan famra. Idamasi bi bla wiso afo idamasi siso amamo amoso bia ebebo sese no adumno ba yenye no wando godogo light say we no ye de eyasa ene edihia eyasa enye se yeko eho ayia di wo si fro wa ebebo dwumbe miensa panyini se ohina nko a akwo adwane ntimo busu afo no be ka flo kakra say ya video man no woman in Amhano, Jessica, who knows what you do. You don't want to say, oh, tell Mama, don't go. You don't want to say.
That's right. I said, me pop on, baby, I'm a friend, baby, I'm a
maboa wo sabi makwa ye bia enipa abu afaso enso abusuan sabi ya no obi atena ase enso ye ne wo hakakrai ene friends ekiti parisi enye dodo wura sabi abusuan saya masan sosoa sabi kosie maya de bebre obi anfanse mboma na ho so maya na eye ye ka papa no abakosum wie no ye woni pa bi so a omo wiase a papa no ma so nkombi oye mamo aka o makoma eno na se wo ko ba bi edida ne ase bi tribute yenye no mo ye wiase ha ne de eno ma papa ne ya aka bi akoma ebu ba ku mienu pe ena ye beti no ewo ha anumre eye owura sam opoku ode ne ma de papa ya ma wo mo a ntiene almost also on be kire wo mo so do no owura sam poku pa cho ha woni Michelle, Jessica and Joe momono number bon papa chi dom ama wo mo akasa na nsa na mo be kasa no mewo sankitua bi eka kire abusuan se aponche eni odwan ko ayie na odwa bonsa na omopi abonten na fe achiro ye aponche se me ho asam ne kana eni odwan so da bi ayie ne ko ense papa sikani bi ayie nti obi obonsa bia no ye mansika ko gold baba ko aponchi semika ho afikoji apopo listener aponchi dini eni ma wudwan good baba ko no de ko de tenika enti so aba hanuma isewada kakrabia benyama busua no Nana Boafo also be damasi enti dia pray mi be ma owura samopoku ne ne ma mo hon owura sam oso ebrofo na minyina yi ni damasi ni da kasemu mo owura sam ba ebrofo ni anye ni nyina se nya hwe ebro ni nkate ede mi da ase
Opadi yesu da wase why are there bomo mo say man ijina ha anumre ya ngewu mu ha ni se eye Nana Boafo emro chiase one ne yire Mami Grace Boafo e ba ha dam ye young person abi mmanya be vie aduonu ensia nam di ho na me call won vie papa ni hwe din no se owura the frost and I'm say your friend me osi woni e kan se mo acho me pe waso and I meso me ka jen say wo a wo ye panin na wa ka kire me abofra se wo pe ma se no me so me pe waso enu nti no me do aye me papa enti Opanin Boafo de me ye ne ba me ne me yiri nyina na Opanin Boafo din no onyankopon ne wo ha oma nipa ye wo asasi so da onti ase Opanin ni din de Boafo no no akasa na one ni yire Grace Boafo one mo ye aboafo ba one abo nipa bebre one di be free ifie bai ejuma one mo ye one de abusianfo bi bai one e ba school ha one ni mo kra one ko sia one na no one kofi etitietia kakra me kan se ni aboa me na Ghana fo e wo Hamilton Mami comfort afere wa paso sorry kakra pacho sorry kakra bi no bi ahwe Ghana Association for Gira your penny no na one said the name Mr. Boafo nanso Ghana Association no emra Ghana for ye do so wo Hamilton kakra ye kuhia o Mr. Boafo fia na ne ba ne se yes ya mo ye ehwe na yenti association ni e do so de be ya yes we were then you betumi abokawa ehwo anu na bibo ha aka ehwo abu enti me ma awura ne sori ya me pattern say enkomodi ha ye diri wo Mr. Tom Boafo ene Mami Grace Boafo fie no aso abapa ama 1978 yeti Ghana Association ama a team abisi ene kakra de ho me de ka ho ni se esan se papa do ka chem so pe ma sem nam de ni ye me papa nti bibiara nkomo biara o tumi mi di me ma na ejira ono no otu won odi se utu kwan na okoshi Opanin na odo ho kwana usua nyansa kakra efiri ho edonti meda Mami Grace asi yam papa any yen enu anu nyina eda ho nyina asi kwabra wo abeka na wona na ho asem no wo ya de pa afi se waka ama asabu na mpesa meka na machoro nti majai na emu no me dane dia ma me mam na obakoso aka nana tomboa eho asem achira.
Thank you. I would love to say this in tree, but we'll be here forever. So I want to say, Grandpa, that's the only way that I know him. He demonstrated to me that water, at times, can be a fierce competitor with blood. I say that because as I look back, as a child, I was trying to navigate in North America, understanding the culture, but also the emphasis that they placed on grandparents. I didn't know my grandparents, they were back home. But I didn't feel that lack because Grandpa, he stepped in, he was actively participant in my life. He literally, for all the pivotal moments of my life, he was there. When they had the grandparents come to your middle school, my grandfather was there. When they came to my graduation, my grandparents, Grandpa specifically, was there actively. And when some doubted, Grandma, when Grandpa wasn't gonna be able to make my university graduation, he was there. He came with his cane. He walked across that Western University campus in the rain. He climbed stairs and he was there. Grandpa was an advocate for me. I remember many times Uncle Michael used to walk me out of the house and Grandpa would be that voice to say, let her in. Grandpa also entrusted me with one of his most valuable treasures, his beer. He would always send me to go get beer so he and my father could share. And he also demonstrated to me that I could be trusted. In fact, I would say that Grandpa made me understand that I mattered. And I remember at times when I would sit with him and hold his soft hands as he got older. And I remember thinking he's never worked a day in his life, but when I would ask him about the things he would do, he would never talk about war. I remember when I wanted to know so much as a child, to be inquisitive, his eyes would almost come with tears, but he would never share with me those experiences, trying to shelter me from what that was like. I do want to say to you, Grandma, and to Grandpa, thank you so much for stepping in as grandparents, not just for myself, but for my siblings. I know how much that meant because here, grandparents are so important. And to be able to have that physical person be present for me all the time and not even having to think, would he ever be there for me? And he was. I remember he would always touch my stomach and say, you're gonna have twins. I'm gonna walk you down that aisle. Remember, Auntie Ruth? You said people couldn't wait for him because he would be so slow. And I said it didn't matter. If people could not wait for my grandfather to walk me down that aisle, they could leave. So to Grandpa, it's the only way I know you. Thank you so much for all that you've done. I pray that you are resting with God in heaven, maybe sharing a beer or two, and soon we will meet again. So please, Grandma, try your best not to cry. Grandpa's in a good place. Thank you, everyone.
Abusuafo ma ofase no ye wusem nyina no ayi agu ho no opani na nana sem amatifo mo ya de obi ya de a muina yeye sese e ko pension yi mo ro hameti ho no mo stewers no da libri no de be ka no ye ni pensioners ne sesane ko we a no tax nka no ti mo kire ya ba bi e wo ye ba ho enso be sister bi nya be we ni Toronto ha ye di obi a primasem maya de damasi bebre abusuafo aye nana mudube mantukwa woni a chamihina okrum ha wasate no MC no efiri se de siko si hot maduba bi no ayemre afa de no nani ye ontimi ye omomuti ha tie mu no ridi ado hunu enwa ko retirement wasi ene wa ba ha no ma aye Mr. Boafo wa ye bibia ma no Samu kaya sa tamania wo Ghana. Abane ka se engineers no more USC wo mo nya car me nso fa na mum car mo ye dey friend say Boafo di Boafo bia boani pa wa boani pa na mo djumi be ja kasa mi o fa se bon
Achi be do asibebre. Honorable Mr. Boafo, Monsieur Fuamo table, Mrs. Boafo, Mrs. Grace Boafo, a friend of mine to Kojamo, made the memo. Now, there may be a cacrebi. A buyer and Baba to Mr. Boafo, Ewo, Krumha, but Hamilton, yes, you are true too. A dear Mr. Boafo, or Bagluma Samrano. Ghana for a happy brain, no we a cacrebi. Amikai Ankroma or ha, and the Ajipa Nana Abusapeni and Champon, or also ha, and the Ajipa Abusapeni Kufusu Ken. Man, you have faith, Rosum. Some of the Ghana for a cacrebi, but Papa for Santiachin. But me carry Yamia say, "One to Tim say, we free as Santiachimiti, Minino." Nebom, one mom, and then Ghana for Kakran never hano, Tambia, no more day, Eddie and Cabum, Croma Mebois. Nadia me be who Papa home, no free Hamilton. Some a year be about to happy Papa Beba, Oba, Obedia Sasana. Mrs. Grace Boafo so quiet, what the baby did, no. Oh, yeah, the mirror of a senior go to Lago Track and Vonaco. Dabla Mickey, what you check a crap, and you could tell a woman, or bet, Meboa, or best Sassa, to Mumia. Was it Milana? I want to say, me first attach him to me, but was some cloak them more. And I was so called for the someone you quiet to the idea will be. And the American is a papano. What in any or Buenipa, and the Nessie and Graham Slamo. Caclabiusa, a more you come for the Kaye. Pacho, Monco Prono. You didn't have a diamond. What dear 2010, Nina and Bois. Namon Copuani and Fampipa. Papa, actually, go ahead. Then the end of the Islam DJ. For you to the Yanina, said the Papa Ginani, a blower Tiasa. Yanina, yes, Sikum. Yes, so, you have the year in your Papa. Mantuka Jamu. Panua, Nipa Pato Papa no. One must say, you did you, the Cassay, Manuato. The Damasi.
Nanamo. Mantukwa yadase na okase mediasa na the woman say ye kunafo ne namfo no bi ma hihye duku bia ade no ma bia omode be kire edo ede ama mami Grace na nti ebe mo omokwan ama mo duku na be kire na obia no omni duku no ba jibi sa Canada duku no ko Ghana ho mfaso every Ghana duku na nkete odi pepa fifiri asisi na afọ uba yi agibi okwa uba mu ni fa wani ma wa cheche de wo mu ni se no agi de Canada flag bomu no cause viasi amanse nyina bi ya ni Canada ha duku a Canada duku a eya ni monyam eti ayemo ma no mo be kira de no misre mo ada mo fa kase mo fa duku no fa bra na mo mu che duku na mo ya pashia church na ni mo na mo ko bi anya do mo bra mo na ba abusuafo bema to tuduru no nton nyadoa ti se de duro me de mama no na wo muso aka Mrs. Ajimai oha obebo mameti na chidom na uma beche duku no na kwasi mi gina chire ho bo chen mama bia be roma nya me bodua oha ne
akwasi atase Nananum, Honorable Mami, Ebusia, Mpenifo mane mema yeshia mu ha. Yebegyina ha anwumre ya yenyina ne bone. Sabe, ye ne yenya ye papa. Ye nana, ye wofa, ye adie nyina Nana Boafo, na ne wokrum ha Hamilton na no wo. Papa Oba ha first ne bibi biara ni ho a na obi ya wonhu nanim emofra wato wo mudin de munyina munim na ebeye mra kakra atwam ni ena awrade efre ne ba de wose busua ye bia ye koye na eye Frank ne yire Marsha Michael ne yire Lee ena afi Kojo anase baby Ruth nikunu Kojo Martin sa enso numi womo se eye womo ase womo papa womo wofa womo de nyinara so okone kra akiri a bibiara nka womo beye a efe nka womo beye nanso mami se on de ompe bibia nanso saboa no wode agya kwa yenya ne kwa Intinsu numi omo baya omo kura omo nsam dukui eye handkerchiefs fita efrisa papa ne na kuma mi e fita obi aba eye ne ba wonne yam kan say apotofo kura gina ho a oka say omo ye de ye ne ma enti Kojo Marsha ene Lee Marcia, sorry. Marcia, no, I would do continue who cram and who ye. Into almost a handkerchiefs fit yen chama dofo na ye him yen famose if we say him say papa no samre wada nana Abraham abemu na onuru ho kura o mpaibo e de ni beduru ho enti yemfa handkerchief nkwa sorry yemfa nkohim efisa Yesu Kristo oye nkunimdi ene Franka yewie yewie ye kan ye ne se ye papa ye Nana Boafo no wo ma e wo kurum ha ena baby Ruth ne maame nom ye ne ye nana mankwa one ne ma ye dubi ene ne ma Charlotte ene ne ma ene akwete peace ye wudina he ya yes mami yes duku kakrai ye chama abusuafo ye nyina ye mfansa ne nyame ase wo ade a wayama ye nim se mpapa mudie wo we ya if soni ni pana shedema mfie bebre so say no otu ani a ensa nemo kai se kai hu sanya kokko nyame hom kronkron no oka ho erade wo so onya omu da biara da nti ye nyina ye de empaibo eta wati etru dia den kra kai hu se nyankopon ota wati nti ya so ye empaibo ade obeko okay afi moshe ayiduku atwasia fitana srade nam eka ho na eye Alice any Christy omose omunua bema ene Frank unia mai omose asemi baye wo mo asote wo mo ka ho bibi biara Hamilton esie ye bibi o mo ko bi nti ene se ye japa pa kwan kura omusu kura dukui ko mo de ne ma ka ho ansuma mi se ompe bibia wa
Nti je na chew ma wadofo no mo fa binsa eni wachi ene ya so besa adoa nti ni ma adoa sa Isaac ya na dia adoa siso ene Frank Masia wone ne besa adoa nti ne abushia ya gina hai ye be gina ha ya manesie no ya ya de na mo mpre ye ne monche no obi anya bi
anone passport wa wo Ghana na pese wo Yesu a wo ja to komo a akatachie penya de be on set Canada passport yes Something baba we are ready Jesus loves you na bia bad man ba ba ka o ma ba ka o na so
Adivijani Munana Nam. Kamini drum and Subiyi drum. And then they are my guy here. If you're bringing up what we are now, it's what you're saying. Yes. One person of my home is a Lina. Juliana, your home drama. Yes, I am not a opera. I am a drama. You bet me. What's up here? I am a Messina. Did you Roma who could go Baba? What's the word center? I'm into the center. There be a shadow here. Yes. What to do now? Fika na pande vie. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, Mama Tina. Yeah, that's it.
Ago. Ebusia me say jina ha bio. Me jina ha. Asem ne mo yakra. Nanso mo de. Mami, me nkai wa yero ho. Eye wa wo baduli. A wo di kan. A ne papa akoto ano. Ne ho kani Emmanuel. Wasi munya ne muda. Bibi biara mo ka no ho. Nene mose monom nase sikasa. Ontimi nhwe ema monko no saa. Enti wono so baaye a sabe woye alatani na wo mo so de amuduro de number 1. Enti wasi emfa amuduro yi emfa mraw na chemo adofo. Handkerchiefs yes and so wase faka ho na che emo adofo. Na aya papa aja Kojo Boafo Ghana na maami bi ya friend maami sewa na sabi oneneti ntemu baako na maami asem no si ye no de waso ye bia wo ye wase ene ye ja ni nua be ma kwan kura wasoma ne baba sebe bia wo bia wontutu brika no omra no no so emetre ne do emfanchro ne hu sese de na papa sine neti no na ni so yi ankasa enti men na nwene da sa aka wo nko a wota wachi wode ne mpaibo edi wo ne wo ma ene wo busua nyina aji enti ono so de handkerchiefs ye mienu se de na fa che eme wadofo no mo so emfa ensa enna nyankopon ase ni esan begina ha yamani ase no ya de na mompene ye ne mi refi wade papa ana fan eka ho senom no anu mu dikan manku kasam ya morada yo mona fo ke pa radio si okwa ya wisa mo refi manku wo na ya ofa di shese bulu ofa di shia wo krobia motivisia na mi ya ya bulu Ayakaba mi yokambo Eti muti menisile Sumare musa we rawa Asamno no Makwa wona banabasa
akyerɛ sɛ ewiase ɔbrɛtwa wuo sɛdeɛ yɛnnua panyini asi abɛbrɛ waboaboa nnipa bebree no ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ dan a wobɛkɔ enti ayi kakra me mahu ni sɛ fa yɛnnua maa no ɛyɛ ntoma no a mode agu ɛtaate no mu sɛ dabi ne mafura no yɛnhyɛ ase yɛmfura cause adekyee ne mu asɛm wanhwɛ yi a ɛne nea yɛkɔ ayi a yɛbɛsunsuan na yɛde akɔgya wɔ bigyina hɔ yi meme nkɔtɔ ataadeɛ ɛnka sɛ mede to ɔdaakye mahyɛ kɔbɔ a ne mate ne mahyɛ ɔkyerɛ nyɛ me deɛ a mewu na abɛto a ɛyɛ wo nyadeɛ teɛ rɔba deɛ nyadeɛ a wobɛnya bi wɔ mema adaka mu siesie abusuafoɔ deɛ duro no yɛnya mpɔne na mmom ebi bɛdi kan kɔ ayie bebree wɔ kurom ha ebi bɛdi kan kɔ nti abusua panyin a ofiri Ghana baayɛ ɛyɛ ɔyɔkɔ de hyeɛ ɛyɛ abusua panyini ɛyɛ honorable SK Boafo se sɛbi nka yɛ ne mpoatwa nkɔnti na boa kɔkɔsakyi ɔde si sum na so no nti sɛ maba na wamfa naseɛ ne adeɛ ama mo a na wayɛ tiafo nti wɔne mo bɛkasa kakra na no nkyɛ sɛ yɛatɔn me nua bi na ɛkaeɛ wɔ so ɔkɔ atwe no mu a na ɔkɔ ahwa ɔwɔde nua fie na ɔkɔdidie aha ɛyɛ nua deɛ a yɛbɛhwia dam saa akɔsi sɛ yɛbɛbrɛ ne akɔ tɔda mefiri ha no no eti ɛyɛ honorable SK Boafo ɛyɛ abusua panyin ɔyɔkɔ abusua panyin dwaso ɔna ɔde naseɛ ɛne ade ma mo ɛyɛ nanaagye na n'akyerɛ kututu mɛsa kwagya odi adwene tɔ papa srada mede akasa mu no ɛma yɛnua panyini patwɔ onya kasɛ bɔmfɔ nsɛmbɔma ɔde nsɛmpa na ɛbrɛ mu
Please, I'm not here. Someone to blow for the tree, you can eat out from the very. Round 4, you mean young. How about you, big number chair? I said, I got this also. I need the patron did the the Asidama Yami. Said, Yami, came there to be here. Then the MC no I had what the Casapa, what the Santa Casa. Now, and she also free, you are saying, and then I was a penny consider. Now, Conway, said the back, but chat Munina, Damas. Now, as who food your part. Me buy a maniac. The same time you have it. Now we'll be too quiet of her and calm. The DBBI, the veteran, so Papa or Papa. And your Kosoya. No what Tima said me who did that. Many animals I have woman so since you United Nations. And young ones and Pan on what Casper April, Mimi Fee, you are Brofu, you are Atafo, you are Jamaica for, you will be beer near Ghana for soon. Say, she are proud. And then Papa and Blue, me am a year about coffee Jamaica, me money. So, Papa and the apple, Bob Pa, and I'm seeing the piano. Now, Madame Assay. I hasn't been in radio. I try notice will be can I see and was a different car. Nay, Boafo for. And then, me, mammy, Auntie Grace. And then we shall 4 years. She had Nana Champon. The mere no of us so. Of your tower by 34. And then just a damn. Mammy baby will have Matimuka. Me, Mammy of Free Jamaica. No matter where you are, so what the crowd will be better was here. Now, me pabucho ese obi aso ka uchi bia hwan so koniti aha de na ya obi ma because there may be our identity there. That's all me. If you say so, we will feel chroma at the bay. Abaya, put down. To be shared that, Papa, Yamitu suffer Papa. Maybe Solomon in the net. Your nose in dress because we want marry. Papa, and I'm in it. And Sunday, Papa, me up to and Sunday, me, because I know more. The tea, Papa, me, and Sabi, you say to me, Ghana, boy escape Boafo plan. If he said, Bien, and I has issue, a Bob Boafo do her. Hamilton, any baby, go for about 2 minutes. Said the can so cut on 1 month. Mr. Matuko of Witness are Goofy, Bia. Sabi, my chieftain's minister, my ass anti regional minister, boy, child, my minerals commission. Nina Bibia and Carry, we are here, and Carry Nina Bichet. To be some mummy and for dom and fantastic. Dear Papa will be here. Or catch them, says, we are, or portray me. As a messenger was going to be travel with Brammy and Cock. Yeah, go ahead. It is a visual tremor and answer today. Son of Papa catch them seriously. Which means Nipper baby cop. Nipper baby copper. To be patchable me, yes, Sunday, then you know, say, it may be bad. About go up and tell. And now I'm the mamma casa, or so Baba catch them, but Shannon ma. Nipa who are no moon. Nipa baby call. To be some. To be a yeska near your field. Yeah, if ya will be craft a jamu, says your a jamu or go. Aha, a jamu. I know. Oba se be ba ha first ba ha de bia ma beye me minister won ba me ho me beye minister asa ne yoba yi ko aja mo ne ayika ho do free picture na asa friend ken mutiama ya no mi na kroma se ba na mi nim se da chi me ba be gira akura se yo a hwe me papa a chi sa tu ndim da chi asa ese woni mu ya na to be strong. Let's all be together. Let's love one another as ourselves, and especially the young ones that are coming, my nephews and the rest. Please make sure that tomorrow is never yours. So what you can do it now and do it well. And woman, if she be pa, you feel, the woman will be big. Mama, the marrying and running in our doors. As often as you will be big everywhere. So I want to use this opportunity to thank you on behalf of my dad, to say that we will never forget you. Any good thing that you can do, don't defer, do it right now. Because as I said, tomorrow is never yours. We wish you could be here, but he's so blessed. I don't use the word lucky, I don't believe in luck. But he's so blessed that 97, 98, it was just a week for 98. It was his 98th week. So please, some of you may not get there. Nowadays, if you see the posters on the obituary, gone too soon. Yes, what a shock. That's what the 35, 25. Why? So please make sure that you make hay while the sun is shining. Here you don't see much sun, but please make sure while the winter is on. So that you can make sure that you do it. So on behalf of the Ayoko family, all of us, and on behalf of Mama here, please, thank you very much. I'm grateful. There are people who did so many things we didn't know, behind the scenes. And for fire, no maybe be right him. Can't you? Me the magistrate be a mediocre question. Now just a bayam. The Mama so she read. Didn't not tell you. Now Nipa ehuhia chebia. May God bless you all. Thank you. And I leave you. Maybe you come on the year, but actually na misako. Na minimia. Tama abaje. Papa wo ye ne trans ko kono. ofi oba ne hye ko se beba aba behwe papa no nya because na me se wapa enura na me ho ja wajo so be da wase se ofi ko no nyina aba no do a ko be ka so onfa and so what did atutu okay skaba and I'm only one wish I want to say is this: all these family members must come back home at least on holidays to see me, because I'm now there to share penny. If you get to Accra and you mention escape of the airport, they will bring you to the house. So please don't come home and make sure that you have people also there. Thank you very much for coming, and God bless you. As that is also my chief minister na kasa. What you grow na wo go kware. Mpacho ah. Wa go school papa wo ko no oduma se di anka.
I was your phone. Honorable why dear pa asmo kanyina no kre. O se na se e no de mo mobile nyina. Honorable Toronto for so no make down manamu and also ye dinasi ama kire se sabi uyuma doso na okoye abusua panyini no yesi mfu doso a udo ni nyina anye sa uni afu enti woso tutu anamo na dia ba bedru hanom no sabi nya ye nyina de nya honorable wase abusua panyini bo ko anam ne na ye wi nkwa pia san ba bi so to abusua panyini ni mo nyama odi abahye ye unya panyini eni o papa eni Toronto for no so no ye da wase enti Toronto for say the honorable asem kosi ya ne se ma mama ye free ye nchi kire se eye eko aba Russia and Ukraine Russia for person o moto bomb we to Canada fi se ye ne ye ni age ho ye support Ukraine for no say omo ka se na wotwe me so moto bomb no a obi abekwa akotwa ni ticket ama wo fra owura kwame ageman afu obefra kwa was fully booked if an eko Ghana if you are from Jamaica and it's going to be a nuclear bomb in Canada here, where are you going? You book your flight to Jamaica or Barbados. And we shouldn't forget where we come from. That's the message is giving us. I had here Sabi a paper so any free her. Grata muti free her. Ufo chipa o mami a Jojo or Titepa small canon. So eti yangini enchi na nina kusi se yenu ya panyini said the osia kwama Ghana any chroma crowbar said the osia boy no aye enoma bebra sebi ehye nkura enti ehwe na namonso ne fantana ne nyini si anya sa 97 years no kra no ne nyam 8 yepe say dear Bruno ajigon ye no ni bu ni ehye ni ade ya brabono maybe for Drew try and check you it's mommy anyi yedi ni aba celebrate ye ni penina baba no ya na masi bebre ye nyamponi te say DJ adwuma ko a chiame makasa afi na mekosi akira ko no mamudro no mamudro when ku ya bin mo ningra o bi na masi bebre wo pose mama na na je aja ku titu ba sa wa ya de abe mo ba fe na me be asa sa
why am I missing one day? Never be away, man. I don't to me, mommy, to the ones about it. I have no ground running away to it. I can't deny the fact that I'm falling my age. I'm coming over, dog up in grass. Come on, come on, come on. I don't know where I'm saying, yeah. beside you. Passing my own day, I am taking care. Some sugar, man, oh, you grow my circle, no, no. Is it you and I'm getting more. I'll tell me what my way till I'm in the one me there. I'm gonna say, oh, when I was a children, woman, I'm the one. No doubt about it. Every summer dream I change. It's the roses I felt true love. I can't deny the fact that I'm holding my angel and coming Come on, you don't try. You supposed to be try. You don't know me for person, I know person we don't mind, boy. When I land so free, on this so far, so good. Money back now, let me see. Collect your money. Wake up. Collect your money. Wake up. Get up, go get the moolah. Wake up. Money to kala. Don't walk, you don't try. Supposed to be try. You look money for person, I know person we don't mind, boy. When I love that land so free, on this so far, so good. Money back now, let me see. Oh lo, let me see. Oh lo, come on, let me see. Oh lo, let me see. Oh lo, come on, let me see. Give me sugar, la. Macho Mona Lisa, 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 Macho Mona Lisa. Finally, I see your face. Oh my face. I love you. You're my gift for this. I just want to say, my head, I know what to say. I know what to connect. I won't compose myself again. I fell for you, I fly. want to come back? What you really think was? Like the money to give you the money. Like what the tough girl. I got nothing to tell you. Let's do what's going on at home. All right, take it easy. Okay.
This time they get a load what's wrong, folks?
Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Come on, y'all. Check it out, y'all. How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way, can you go? Can you go down low? All the way, can you go? Can you go down low? All the way, can you go? Can you go down low? All the way, can you go?